Are we ready?
The crowd were amazed. We're at EDUtech 2026 to help educators build a student management system within 45 minutes.
What's it about? It's really had our curiosity beaming.
So we're going to show you how fast and easy and high quality it can be to build software with Agentic AI.
If it breaks, it's not my fault.
A lot of people were confused because they were like, is it building my student management system yet? It turns out it had already been built.
These Agentic systems, they are better than 99% of coders on the planet.
Amazing.
With the advancements in AI, and especially Agentic AI development, the build versus buy has inverted.
Woo! I love that.
A big thank you to the organisers at EDUtech. They've put on a fantastic show this year and we've had a wonderful audience. So I think nailing it, absolutely nailing it.